Good day, everyone. We are the Group 4, and we will discuss the understanding sexual harassment and LGBTQ discrimination. Sa inyong palagay, ano nga ba ang sexual harassment?
Harassment. Sexual harassment is unwelcome or unwanted sexual behavior na pwede maka-offense o pwede tapakaulawan o kanang hadlokon bitaw ta. And also, it can be written or writing and verbal. Isuyanin mo siya kanang mga dili mao. And then physical kanang pwedhawiran nimo siya or unsa. And also dili na kay da nimo makita ang sexual harassment kung dili ka happen po siya through online. And then sexual harassment is not always specific about sexual behavior or directed a specific person. And sexual harassment can affect individual work or academic performance and have a psychological effect of the victim. Sexual harassment can involve unwelcome touching or kissing. Example, kanang kahit lang kagihawiran, kahit lang kagikisan bitaw nga wala ka na inform or kanang wala ka na aware na inganaon ka. Then staring or leering kanang tutukan bitaw ka nga feeling nimo sa maniuy kanang wala man manyakis ayun magilimo kung kanang naay kanang pagnanasa kung magtanaw sa imuha. And then suggestive jokes or comment kanang hilig magbinuang bitaw mag-joke or mga below the belt na kaya mga jokes. Then request for sex kanang mahangyo sa imong magdalit mo or na sa dili ka gusto. And then insult based on your sex, especially ang ka insult gid kasagaran is kanang mga LGBTQ because of their sex. And then repeated invitation to go out on dates. Kanang example, kanang di-refuse na nimo yung invitation nga dili ka gusto nga mag-date mo sa gawas na po siya kay sige gyapon siya pahanggat sa mga mag-date lagi ta nga na. And also intrusive questions about someone's private life or body. Kanang chismosa bitaw sa imong kinabuhi kanang mahilabot sa imong about sa imong kinabuhi din mga kanang ingana mo imong lawas or ingana. Then sharing sexuality, explicit emails, SMS message or images kanang mag-send sa imong mga paras nga mga pictures and then chitan kag hinangal ingana mga paras nga mga istorya. And then banter or comment that diminish the role of woman in the workplace. Kanang mag-joke sa imuha pero ang joke kay kanang below the belt na kaayo sa imuha as a woman kanang makapang-down na sa imuhang kanang dignity bitaw na siya.
4 ways of sexual harassment. First is verbal harassment. Inappropriate comments, joke, or remarks of a sexual nature. Ang verbal harassment is kung giunsa nato paggamit or pagbuhi og istorya, lihok o mga aksyon nato na maka-offend sa ubang tao. Kasagara ni siya gakahitabo sa eskwelahan, trabaho ug sa mga online platforms. Second is verbal harassment. Lewd gestures, suggestive looks, or inappropriate body language. Ang non-verbal is kung giunsa nato paggamit or pagpakita sa uban ng atong mga lihok sa atong behavior or na maka-offend sa ubang tao. Example ani is unwanted physical contact, staring, intimidating body language. Next is physical harassment. Unwanted physical contact such as touching, groping or brushing against someone in a sexual manner. Ang physical harassment is use of physical force, action, or behavior. Example ani is ang pagmaltrato. Next is textual electronic harassment, often leveraging digital communication platforms. Textual electronic harassment, also known as cyberbullying, mahitabo lang ni through messages, emails, social media, online forums, or any other digital means of communication. By sending abusive message, pagkalat og chismis, and also sharing private information without consent. Next is types of sexual harassment. First is quid pro quo harassment, conditioning job benefits, promotion, or grades on sexual favors. Next is hostile environment, creating an intimidating, hostile, or offensive works or educational environment through persistent and pervasive sexual conduct or comments. Example ani is na ay empleyado na gainitan ang iyang kauban sa trabaho, tapos kaning ginalibak og agtagaan siya dili tarong na trabaho.
Discrimination against LGBT. In every society in a globe, prejudice against LGBTQ people is a widespread problem that affects a variety of areas of life, including as work, school, housing, healthcare, and public spaces. People whose gender identities sexual deviate from conventional norms are collectively referred to as LGBTQ. Then, LGBTQ discrimination. Ito ay ang anumang pag-uuri, exclusion, o restriction batay sa kasarian na nagiging sanhi ng hindi pagkilala at paggalang ng mga karapatan o kalayaan. Hindi lamang lalaki at babae ang nakaranas ng diskriminasyon. Did you know 21% of LGBT students say bullying is biggest problem at school? 51% of LGBT employees are not out at work. 40% of homeless teens are part of the LGBT community. 25% of LGBT teens are rejected by their own family. 22% of LGBT members living in nursing homes feel they can be open about their gender identity with staff. LGBT community is 1.5 times more likely to have social anxiety or depression than their heterosexual counterparts.
What types of discrimination the LGBT community? Discrimination against LGBTQ encompasses legal employment, such as being passed over for promotions, receiving lower salaries, or being subjected to harassment. In housing, in educational, such as bullying and harassment. LGBTQ students, teachers, or staff members may experience harassment, bullying, or discrimination based on their sexual orientation. In healthcare, social, family, and religious belief. Some religious beliefs may be used to justify laws that discriminate against LGBTQ individuals, such as prohibiting same-sex marriage or adoption by LGBTQ couples. It manifests as an unequal treatment, harassment, exclusion, and denials of rights and services based on sexual orientation or gender identity.
Good day, everyone, and now let's proceed to LGBT Right or SOGI Bill. This bill prohibit and penalize the discriminatory act against lesbian, gays, bisexual, and transgender people. The SOGI Equality Bill stands for Sexual Orientation, Gender Identity, and Expression Equality Bill. It aims to protect the right of individuals regards to their sexual orientation, gender identity, or gender expression. The bill seeks to prevent discrimination based on their factors and promote equality and exclusivity in society.